Okay, here we can see the heart located inside this sac here, the pericardium. So I'm planning now to remove the pericardium completely. So before we do that, let me just remind you that the heart, this is the heart here located inside the pericardium. The pericardium itself has two layers. Two layers. The outside layer here is the fibrous pericardium. This is the fibrous pericardium. And internal there we have the serous pericardium. The fibrous pericardium, as the name suggested, it has a lot of fibers, of course. The serous pericardium has again two layers. The layer which cover the sac from inside is the parietal serosa, and another layer cover the heart, directly called the visceral serosa. There is another name for the visceral serosa called the epicardium. Epicardium. Again, this is the pericardium, surrounds the heart completely. It has from outside the fibrous pericardium, from inside the serous pericardium, which has again two layers, the parietal serosa and the visceral serosa. Another name for the visceral serosa is the epicardium. This shiny layer on the heart directly between the visceral serosa and the parietal serosa, this cavity called the pericardial cavity normally is filled with some fluid to reduce the friction between the heart and the sac and the surrounding structures. So I will remove the pericardium completely, and after that we can meet again. Look how big is it, surrounds the pericardium, starts from the base of the heart, from the origin of the arteries there, and cover the heart completely. So this is here the pericardium, and this is the heart inside it. So I will remove it, and we